Hello, I'm Brian Kiefer, the Director of Sales at Gibson Teldata. Today I'd like to talk to you about our Cumulus Enterprise Instant-Fax solution to deliver faxes to your business. Using the Instant-Fax service, we have three methods to deliver faxes to your business. First, through a traditional fax machine. Second, through our Instant-Fax web portal. And third, we can deliver to any email service such as Yahoo, Gmail, Outlook 365. In the first method, we connect your fax machine to a purpose-built fax analog telephone adapter, commonly known as a fax ATA. Faxes sent to your business first go to a cloud-hosted fax server. The faxes are completely received into the cloud, and only after they're completely received in the cloud does the cloud server start communicating with your fax ATA. The fax ATA then completely downloads the fax and stores it on the device before it begins communicating with your fax machine. Using this method, a hosted fax server communicating with a purpose-built fax ATA ensures that long faxes are delivered efficiently to your fax machine. Generic ATAs tend to lose pages after the third or fourth page. If you would like to continue to use your traditional fax machine, our experience here at Gibson Teldata has shown us that a purpose-built fax ATA connected to your fax machine ensures delivery of even the longest faxes. The Cumulus Enterprise Instant-Fax platform also enhances your current fax machine. The same service that communicates with your fax ATA can also add new features. These new features include the ability to have incoming faxes copied to your email. Plus, the cloud-hosted fax server can communicate with your fax machine to print a page showing either fax success or fax failure. This same confirmation sheet of either fax success or failure can also be sent directly to your email. The Cumulus Enterprise Instant-Fax solution not only connects your fax machine to the cloud, it actually enhances the features of your fax machine. Next, I'd like to talk to you about the Instant-Fax web portal. You now see what the user sees when logged into the web portal. First, at their home page, they click on the fax icon. Once the user clicks on the fax icon, they can look at their inbox, their sent faxes, or they can select Send a Fax. They can choose whether or not to use a cover page. We chose a cover page here that we happen to have stored on our desktop. You click to attach, then you go to the document you'd like to send. Click to attach, choose your caller ID. If you have multiple caller IDs, the sender gets to choose among those IDs. The next step is just simply type in the fax number where you're sending the fax. Once you type in that number, you hit send and the fax is sent. As far as downloading a fax, you click on the download and then you can download the fax to your desktop, read it, print it, whatever you need to do, just as any other document. You can also go to your sent folder and download a fax confirmation sheet along with a copy of the fax. This will give you the number faxed, the time, and a copy of the fax. The Instant-Fax portal is intuitive, easy to use, and allows you to send, receive, store, and confirm faxes. The final thing I'd like to talk about today is our Cumulus Enterprise Instant-Fax email-to-fax, fax-to-email solution. I've already opened up my Office 365. I just simply type in the fax number, so one area code and the number of the fax machine, at instantfax.com. I can fill in the subject line or I can leave it blank. Next, I attach the documents. I've chosen a cover page, and I've also saved a second document for test. Now I just hit send. Once I've sent the document, I get a fax notification email with the number and the time it was sent, confirming it was successful. As far as receiving a fax, I get an email that says you have a new fax. I open the attachment and there's the fax. As you can see, the email to fax, fax to email solution is extremely simple, easy to use. Gibson Teldata does all the setup, so there's nothing for you to do. Just simply let us know which fax numbers you'd like us to port into the system, what emails you would like to associate with what fax number, and we'll do the programming. Typically, we can have fax users set up by the next business day. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today. Regardless of which method of delivery chosen, please remember that Gibson Teldata designs, programs, installs, and then offers 100% support on the entire Cumulus Enterprise Instant-Fax platform. The Instant-Fax platform is offered in conjunction with the Cumulus Enterprise hosted phone system. For more information on either, please email sales@bgibson.com or please give us a call at area code 317-298-4993. Or if you're already working with the current Gibson Teldata account executive, reach out to them with your questions and we'll be happy to provide you with more information. Thanks again for your time.